had a request from a student to do this problem from the section 11.5 homework. It's problem number 6. And as they went through the help me solve this, they thought it was a little bit confusing, and so wondered if I would create a video sharing that no video of this particular problem was made. So here's the narrative from a number 6 problem. It may not be the exact numbers that you have when you do it, but it'll be the same style of problem. As we read through this, 20,000 raffle tickets are sold. One first prize of $1,000, two second prizes of $750, and three third prizes of $300 each will be awarded. If you purchased one ticket, what are your expected gross winnings? And so this could be a little bit troublesome because in some of the other problems, it was saying, what is your expected value? The reason why it has to say expected gross winnings is they never tell us how much we're going to pay for a ticket. Therefore, I don't know how much my initial investment is. So instead of asking the question, what is the expected value of buying a ticket, they're saying, okay, if these are the prizes, what are the gross winnings? Awesome. So when you play the game, you can either get the first prize, which is, sorry, let me get a pen here. You can either get the first prize, which is $1,000, or you could get the second prize, which is $750. Or you could get the third prize, which is $300. Now, what's most likely to occur, though, is that you get absolutely nothing, that you're not one of the 6 people who get an award, that you're one of the other 19,994 people that don't get any prize. So let's look at the probabilities of this happening. We do know that there's 20,000 tickets, and only one of them is for the first prize. So 1 out of 20,000 would be the probability. We do know that there's a second prize of $750 and that there's 2 tickets out of 20,000 that will be awarded that. And we know that there is a third prize which happens to have 3 winners out of 20,000. But you're most likely to get nothing. And remember what that is. That's the 19,994 out of 20,000. Hopefully that makes sense where I came up with 19,994. There's already 1 first place prize, 2 second place prizes, and 3 third place prizes for a total of 6 prizes out of 20,000, which leaves 19,994 people not receiving any prize. Well, you know how to do expected value. In this case, this is the winnings, right? This X doesn't need to be modified because it's the pure winnings, the gross winnings. And so all we do is we take 1,000 times 1 over 20,000 and add to that 750 and multiply that by 2 over 20,000 and add to that 300 times its probability. And this might drive some people nuts, but I want it here for clarity, plus 0 times 19,994 out of 20,000. So the reason why I made that comment, it might drive some people crazy, is we know what this is going to be. Let me come in with a different color. We know that this right here is just going to be 0. All of that makes nothing, so it's all in these first calculations. So let's take a moment to run them through your calculator. You type in the 1,000 and very carefully divide by 20,000. You add to that 750 times 2 divided by 20,000. You add to that 300 times 3 divided by 20,000, and you hit equals. And what's displayed on my calculator is 0.17. Now, one thing that I didn't write down is how they wanted your answer. They wanted your answer to the nearest whole cent. And this might drive you nuts. This is what they're asking for in that little blue parenthesis. They're asking for the nearest whole cent. And if I type in 0.17, it's going to mark me wrong because it's saying I'm answering it like I have 0.17 of a cent. I have 0.17 of a dollar because all these guys were in dollars. So how many cents is 0.17? 17 cents. That's the answer that it's going to take. So a little bit frustrating as you do it and come up with the right answer and it's telling you, hey, it's not the right answer. It's because you're not paying attention to that sent request that's down there. That being said, if you're in the exam and you answered it as 0.17, I'd give you full credit, but try your best to round exactly how they would like you to. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.